What is real success? We often hear that I have to be successful, or hear wishes for each other's success in life, determinations to become successful people, examples of success. But have you ever asked yourself what true success is? Or do you just think, you have to be rich to be successful, owning the economy is called success, must have a car, a house, fame, a position, and must have this degree, that degree. Have you ever paused and wondered what the real success you are pursuing is, or just something vague and general like so many others? Dear friend, success is simply understood as the result of efforts to achieve people's wishes and expectations. We hear a lot about success, but everyone's definition of success is different. We cannot equate the success of others with the success we pursue. That just makes us become the second version of them. Franklin D. Roosevelt said that happiness lies in the joy of achievement. Ayn Rand once said, "The ladder of success is best climbed by stepping on the rungs of opportunity." Human ambition is an infinite thing. When one is achieved, one will aspire more. Just like that, they find ways to achieve all their goals and ambitions towards a better future. And we call their accomplishments successful? While for them that is not enough, not satisfied. Actually, for me, it's just material things that need to be achieved to make life less difficult, to be able to survive in today's society. Really? Do you think successful people like famous billionaires are the epitome of real success because of their wealth, their achievements, what they've done? Because of the flashy things on the outside? So do you think in the family, are they successful fathers, mothers, successful husbands, wives, successful children? Here, I am not denying that having such achievements is true success. I just want to say to those who are also trying to like me that real success is not far away. It exists around us in the smallest things every day. Don't think negatively that you have to be rich to be successful. Real success is not about being rich, having a car, or playing with billions of dollars. Real success is victory over yourself, victory over the impatience of nature, victory over your own laziness, victory over the ego's pride, victory over the procrastination of inferiority, victory over procrastination of work. Students succeed when they overcome laziness, singers succeed when they overcome detractors, doctors succeed when they save patients, and rich people succeed because they victory themselves and conquer their goals every day. A successful husband or wife is to win over the natural emotions outside to be faithful to their other half. Children succeed when they are docile, filial, overcome their unruly nature, and understand their parents. Success is very simple. One day does many things to be successful. You don't have to force yourself to live according to the subjective views of the times or anyone's to run after unnecessary vanities. Success in the present is about setting standards for yourself to feel happy and trying to achieve it. Sometimes happiness is just being able to live a simple, peaceful life and pursue simple ideals. Success does not mean you will be happy, but when you are happy, you are already successful in your life.
Subscribe to continue listening to my English radio where I will share interesting things from life. I love you. I'm Honey.